Hi, radio listeners. This is SpongeBob SquarePants. When I'm in Bikini Bottom, I listen to Al Bacori, the Tuneful Tuna, on WH2O.
WH2O.
Al Bacori! This is the boss of the sea sauce, Al Bacori, the Tuneful Tuna. We're rocking the bottom. You want hits, we got 'em. We're premiering Bikini Bottom's #1 album. It's SpongeBob and the High Seas, the best day ever!
Smiled at me, said it's gonna be a good one, just wait and see. Jumped out of bed and I ran outside, feeling so extra ecstatified. It's the best day ever. It's the best day ever. 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 Best day.
Hey, you caught the tuna, and the Tuneful Tuna Show is sponsored by the Krusty Krab restaurant.
Hi, this is Eugene Krabs, proprietor and owner of the Krusty Krab. Hey, listeners, show your SpongeBob and the High Seas fan club card and get a free meal that is absolutely free!
Free meal does not include meal, drink, tax, or tip. Ask your doctor if eating at the Krusty Krab is right for you.
Poopadoo, ladies and gentlemen, you can't believe who just came into the studio. It's SpongeBob and the High Seas. Come on over here and say hello to our listeners.
Hi.
Ahoy!
Hello.
Ah, look who else is here. Plankton.
Hey, Al. Long-time listener.
Yeah, Sandy Cheeks on guitar. Al, I listen to you every morning.
Patrick Starr, drums. I on the radio.
Hi, Squidward Tentacles, Woodwinds. Well, I suppose my interest in music began the first time I picked up a clarinet, Al.
That's great, Squidward. SpongeBob, is there anything you'd like to say to the fans?
Thank you, Tuneful Tuna. And thanks to all you spongeheads out there for buying the album. We love you! We've been out on the road, and it's been very tough living out of a suitcase.
Oh, yeah, SpongeBob. I was living in your suitcase.
Oh, that's why mine was so heavy. But seriously, folks, no matter where we go, we just can't wait to get back home to little old Bikini Bottom. And that's what this song is all about.